Hi, in this video, I'm gonna make baked soy garlic chicken wings. This recipe is so easy and delicious that I have been making it once a week. In this recipe, you can use drumsticks, chicken wings, or chicken ribs, whatever you prefer. This time, I'm gonna use chicken wings. Okay, let's get started. First, wash the fresh chicken wings. And add some black peppers and rub it. Now make the sauce. Add some minced garlic and ginger first. Then add some soy sauce, sesame oil, cooking wine, sugar, and mix it well. Now marinate it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, place the wings in an air fryer. And leave the rest of the sauce. Now roast it at 360 degrees for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut some green onions for the garnish. After 15 minutes, open the air fryer and flip the wings. And then pour the rest of the sauce. And roast it for 10 to 12 minutes more. Finally, garnish with chopped green onions. That's it! I'm gonna serve with chicken radish pickles. Enjoy!